What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. It's day 2. I'm in the same outfit as the last video because it's actually the same day. We had some free time, so what we're gonna be doing today is installing the Jay's Racing side skirts, and then we're gonna do the RACEBRED components splitter bracket, and then a Revamp composite splitter. So let's get right into it. Alright, so what we're gonna do is just bolt the side skirt up here. I already marked the hole. I'm gonna put a rib nut in here and then bolt it. That didn't sound too good. All right, that clean. I think I'll put 3 more under the car. Be right back. All right, so my brother had these corny little eBay bolts from his old setup. Let me use it under. Why let them go to waste? You know what I'm saying? Dang it. Give me the...
Oh, what's it inside?
Alright, here. Put the other one in.
Under here?
Yeah. We good. Let's do the other side. Yeah, bowl was too short. Alright, so we got the skirts on. Now it's time to put the wheels on. And then drop the car on the ground.
Alexa, pause.
Ooh, look at that. That tire bigger than Jaden, boy. Hey, don't scratch the backside. Hey, come over here and watch it, bro.
I can see Caleb.
No, come over here and watch him. Don't scratch up the backside.
That's a $3,500 views, Jimmy.
Come on, Mr. I leg press 750. Let's go.
A few moments later.
What the heck?
What was that?
We didn't tie the upper board in.
Oh,
Take it out.
take it out.
Okay, hold on. I get a.
Look at Jaden. Jaden, that's how I'm bigger than you, boy. You think you can do it?
Oh, shit. Think about shitty stands, man.
Come on, Formula One pit stop. Let's go.
It's not going.
Mister, I can leg press 750. Let's go. What are you doing? Don't die on me. Come on, soldier. Don't die on me.
It's not bloody going.
You got it easier than us because the rear wheels, they're locked up. Yep. Star pattern. The fact that you have to draw it out. Seriously, bro? You drew it out a second time?
Why did you forget?
Ugly dude. Ugly dude. You gotta draw a star pattern.
He must have does on this side.
Okay.
Alright. So we got the wheels on. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna put the splitter bracket on, mount it, and line up the splitter, drill the holes for the splitter, and just mount it. Because we're gonna have to take it off again anyways. But there's pretty much nothing else we can do on the car until the radiator comes in. So here you go. RACEBRED. I love these brackets. These are so dope. Sheesh. So this is how it works. So this part goes onto the splitter, and then this part is hard mounted onto the chassis right here. And then what happens is you can just slide the splitter on, and then that's it. Alright, so first this goes into here like that. And then what I want to do is just some goody right here. Look at that. Arvo tow hook. Actually this goes on this side, so that'll wait. That, yeah, like this.
Where's splitter at this one?
Outside.
That's not going anywhere. Bloop. Just like that. We gotta tighten these later. All right, let's do the other side. All right. This side. Then we get to put the shexy schmexy Arvo tow hook. Bruh, I could have did it on the other side too.
I don't know why.
Well, because the engraving, I thought it was only on one side. What side you want it on?
Don't matter.
This side? Yeah, let's do this side. Be different from me. Alright. That's sexy. All right, now it's time to get the splitter on here. So we got the splitter bracket in. It's mounted. Now we gotta put the splitter on. Best part. Yee!
Taping for the markup to mount the splitter. And my ugly taping job.
How big is that mark gonna be?
Damn, bro, you rubbing off on me, and now my tape's all fucked up too. Ah, fucking tape. Look at that roll of tape.
Okay.
All right, so we just jacked the splitter up, and this genius goes. What did he say, Caden? He said it's crooked. No shit, right? Because we literally just jacked it up. We didn't even line up anything yet. So, since he want to be smart, let's see how smart you are. You're gonna be on national TV, bro. How would you get this centered?
You gotta mark the middle first.
Okay,
With this.
figure it out.
Dude.
Figure it out, genius.
Okay.
Thought you good at math?
That math isn't the issue, bro. It's common sense.
I don't know what to do.
Huh?
Huh? What?
What?
I don't know what to do.
You don't know what to do?
No.
Why? Say it louder.
I don't know.
Wow, you really dumb, bro. You see this? This is a straight edge right
That's
here.
what I was thinking.
Okay, okay,
no.
Okay, mister, I don't know what to do.
At first I was thinking about
Nah. We ain't listening to that jack. All right, so it's 70. So we got these holes marked, and then this thing wants to act up. This is a snap-on, bro. Straight garbage. Look at that. I have to reload it every time. What kind of shit is that? All right. All right, so after we got the holes drilled, the thing with the RACEBRED hardware is it's like this, but you see it's square, so it will never sit flush. See what I'm saying? So what we have to do is we have to square it out. So I'm gonna use this Dremel to square it out. See? Now it's flat. Before, this is what it looks like. See? I mean, you can leave it like that if you want like a little skid plate or whatever, but that's not my swag. So now I'm gonna just do the rest of them. See you in a little bit. Woo!
Should round it off. You should build a time attack car.
You got time attack money?
This is not 12.
Probably 13. Is it too small or what?
Yeah.
Too small? Then it's a 13. Alright guys, I think that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really did. I'm actually very happy that the car is back together
85%.
and we're like 85% done. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention, we got this Cusco cooling plate. On camera it looks like it matches the blue, but it's actually kind of a teal, and at first we hated it, but I think it's growing on me, bro. What do you think?
Look good.
The color is growing on me,
Yeah.
for real. I think,
Give it a little bit different tone in it.
yeah, but I think if we can throw like some teal somewhere, just a little bit here and there, I think that'll be nice. Let me know down in the comments below what you guys think. If I should Cerakote that silver or just leave it that teal. All right, peace out. I love you guys. Remember, authenticity is king. Peace.
Revamp.